channel, guys. Love to have you here. We are heading down to the racetrack for Truck Wars near Macon, Georgia. It's going to be a great event. We're going with John and his badass 1200 horsepower GMC, and Nick with his badass 1200 horsepower Silverado. They're going to be running the King of the Tailgate class, and I might enter the DOT class. Now, the King of the Tailgate, it is a street-driven truck. All right, has to weigh at least 4,400 pounds with driver and do a 20-mile drive. Go straight from 20-mile drive into staging lanes. Just freaking pumped. Interior all the way. These two trucks runs 590s in the 8. We think John can get into the 580s if he gets that 60 foot down. The track we are going to is really good. It's MGMP. We have gone to it before. Really excited. They're right in front of me. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, can't wait to get to racing. Back on the karting side, the next race for us will be a local in Jacksonville. We haven't been there in a minute. Going to do a track walk, show you the great facility, the upgrades, and some of the things that are going on in that department. And then we have SSKC down in Homestead for the final round. I have not done well at all this year, but I am going to finish out strong. And then we got Daytona at the end of the month. So December is a busy month. We took November off of karting to reset, get everything cleaned up, make sure the carts are good to go, get everything freshened up, spend some time with family. Yes, gotta spend time with that family. Miss my karting family, but thank you guys. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. That is a huge mile marker for us. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be able to go live. We'll be doing live Sundays Q&A over anything. So that'll be 7 p.m. Sunday once we're able to go live on YouTube. Can't thank you guys enough. Enjoy the rest of this video. It should be a good one. I hope it's a good one. So we have pulled up at MGMP dragway. I know I screwed that up at the beginning. Waiting in line. I think they haven't opened up. So we're here early. It's better be early than late. As you guys know me, I'm always late, never early on time. So this is extremely awkward and odd for me to show up early, but should be a good one. Just here waiting. I hate to hurry up and wait, but John and Nick are so excited. I hope they do well. I really hope they don't screw up. Hope the track holds. Hope it goes down A to B. Hope they don't mess up on the tree either. Oh man, there's so much crap that can go wrong. If anybody's gonna screw it up, it's gonna be John. So Nick will be fine. John gets excited and lets his fat finger off the button. Red lights probably. He'll be kicking his own ass. I know him. I know it. Oh, check into after we unload. Nah, just gonna show off the trucks real quick. Dang, man, that truck just shines. Even the tow rig is good, even though it's a gasser. That's Nick. Nick doesn't talk too much. Woo! Look at John's. Man. Oh man, look at here, the diesel. Right when I walk up, they open up the gate. Right when I walk up, they open up the damn gate. Huh?
You'll have that on a big job.
On a big job? You guys don't know that's John? Dave?
No, I'm not. Here. That's him.
Yep.
Get you some parts.
Yeah. Get some parts, guys. I'm gonna walk back to the truck now. Decided to get going. It's AT4 gasser. Looks nice. I like it. You can't hear it. It almost sounds electric. Dang, that's the old Duramax. Getting ready to unload.
look on Summit, Summit's got a bunch of them to choose from. I need to see which ones you guys
Talking about ramps.
They had a few in stock.
They have two versions. Not that it really matters, but they have one that's like mine, and they have one that has like a step down and then where you put the thing. But that's for like one of these trailers that opens up, and then you have the little flap that goes out on it.
Well, see, I kind of want.
Do you see how like car people talk?
Because see, that's where I'm hitting is right here on this.
Well, it still has the step.
It's like our own little language. And then we do like facial expressions and like throw our hands up. Look at that.
It goes up and then it has like a little deal.
Like a dip.
And then it has the place.
This is stuff that I usually miss because I'm getting my stuff ready. But it's kind of cool to actually get to catch it. What they're talking about, these super long steps they have. John's truck's so lowered, it used to scrape the front bumper on the way up. So he got these steps that come out extremely long, so the truck can drive up easier. And then Nick's thinking about buying the same thing. If you guys don't know, Nick has been fighting forever to get into the 5s and the 8th, and he did that the other time, last time out. He met his milestone marker, breaking into the 5s. Those is what they were talking about, those ramps. They're called race ramps.
Yeah, those are what I need right there. Mine don't have enough angle on them. I got the front of the truck painted, and before, you know, it would scrape a little bit when I would go up. I didn't give a shit. It was already fucked up.
Yeah, but now it's
all it
painted.
needs. Painted.
Now it's brand new. He's like, I care. I care.
Before you could just go up and I'd see it hit it and ride it up. I'm like,
Yeah, now he's like all brand new paint. He's like, I ain't screwing that up. John, we gotta step up our game and get a golf cart, all right? Wrench works. I'm hoping I win the trailer. Big old gooseneck. Then we'll get a golf cart. Gotta have space. Yeah. See, John's smart. He grabbed the... Oh, he has a mitt. Does it mitt one thing? King of the tailgate. Oh, it's a TNT Dynamite. So this is supposed to be like a full, like, street-driven class, all right? Minimum is 4,400 pounds. I know it's extremely loud. Hopefully you guys can listen and hear me. But about 8 in class, maybe 6 to 8. Nick and John have a really good chance. Heading up to driver's meeting. You guys know that's my favorite part. But definitely should be something. Wow! He's not a good driver. That guy only has to go straight. So, yeah, look, 20 years. This is he just asked for a 101 on how to use a 401. Yeah.
All right, Nick, there's the key. Yeah. All right, where's the start? Here.
It's alright, he only drives a 1,200 horsepower truck.
Drive a 12, and he can't drive a dash.
Yeah,
He can't drive a 50 horsepower four-wheeler.
Whoa, got fired up, gang. Oh, man. Look at that. Puts it in gear. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, man, there's never a dull moment with us. I'll tell you that much. Draw a good number. That doesn't feel good.
Alright. Y'all need to OBS. Okay. Alright, so y'all know who y'all need. Who's got my twos?
I'm the truck right.
Ooh, 2.
Alright. Who's got my threes?
Ooh, Nick, 3.
Alright, everybody knows who they gotta run. Y'all can go ahead and tear out and go on your cruise. When you leave out the track, go down, when you get to the main road down there, turn left, go all the way down to where, when it ends, turn right, and go right there to I-16. Jump on I-16, just just a couple miles back down to the exit. Get off the exit, turn right, and come back to the racetrack.
I know. I got it.
Yeah.
Follow him? Oh, yeah.
All right, so everybody's following us. John pulled out the truck that we didn't want to race. We heard it's extremely fast, so hopefully he's able to hook up, go, send it, and call it good. It should be a really good run. Oh man, let's get ready. Definitely. Oh man, pump. All right, we just did the mini drive. They're flipping for lanes. Don't let John lie to you. I did almost get us lost. For some reason, I got confused. I told him to go westbound. It was really eastbound. So thank God for John's good sense of direction, which is probably the only thing good that he has. That's his competition. He's trying to, find out some info. I hope he doesn't screw up. I really hope. I really hope he doesn't screw up the lane. I hope so. So should be good. Nick did the drive well. Truck's extremely loud with the exhaust he has on it right now. So pumped, excited. What's the worst that can happen? Spin and lose, red light and lose, or you can go down and win. That's the best. Little update. Someone blew up on the big end. Track workers busted their ass to get the track ready. John's been sitting here patiently because it blew up on his side of the track. Should be good to go though. Track's sticky. Truck before him left good, so we're good on that. This bad boy's gonna hook and go. Ain't no joke. He's gonna make a lick. As long as he doesn't screw up on the tree, he should be fine. Oh man. on the two-step. It sounded great, and then I don't know. He left his foot off the gas, and
I'm an idiot.
okay, it was just a driver error. But don't get me wrong. The once they got out, the truck, this Savage truck, that's a quick truck. I'm gonna guess 590 because it still ran quick. I'm gonna guess a 590 pass. They're probably not gonna say anything, but I'm gonna say 6 of the 590 pass, around 116 to 117, because John was not gaining. He did 118. So it would have been a really good race, but he still ran a 6.2 with a 170 60 foot. So definitely quick pass. Nick had a really good run as well. He left a little bit late on the line, but had enough power in the big end to pass by. So definitely, we'll see what's up. See where he ran. I'll let you guys know. John's heading out. He's going to do a test and tune pass since he's out of the King of the Tailgate. The final round didn't happen. The female broke. Sucks. Fuel pump issue. So, I mean, winner goes to a red truck unless they're able to fix that pewter truck. But he's going to make a pass, same pass that he would have done racing against her. So we'll see what happens. And then there was a truck just pogo sticking the whole way down the track. So we'll see how John runs this pass. Hopefully a low 590, maybe a 580. So awesome. The pewter truck got fixed. Gonna race the red truck for the finals. Literally walking up, trying to get a video of this pass, but they got the truck fixed. That's badass. That's awesome. Hopefully I can talk to them after the race, see what was the issue, and see what they did to fix it. So we'll see how it goes.
Extreme full size guys, I need y'all up here. Extreme full size guys. Who's ever got this orange and black golf car? Y'all need to come move this thing out of the way for us.
All right, guys, it was not just a fuel pump. Fuel pump with some wiring harness involved. Just fried it. So she was able to get back out there, treed the guy off the light, just truck went balling down the, so that's what is it? King of the Tailgate. That's the winner, King of the Tailgate. So that's awesome, badass. You know, John has issues down the line. That last run he smoked the tires, but he still had fun. We always have fun. Best thing was we were able to drive the trucks back on the trailer, which is the main goal. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll catch you guys on track. Take it easy, man. Until next one.